I feel privileged to be here and support, together with my Polish, Singaporean and international friends, the cause Together for Ukraine to send a signal of solidarity.
When I went to Poland last summer, I met a lot of Ukrainian women and kids, and I was involved and helped them over there. And I promised them that I will do something more for them. That's why we are here tonight, and because I want to keep the promise.
This event is very important. First, because it is organized by our closest friends and allies, Poland. Poland is a country that unconditionally opened its hearts and doors to the millions of Ukrainians who had to flee the war. Second, it is important that it happens in Singapore, a country that is on the same page with us if it comes to support for the international law and the rules-based law.
Safe and secure and prosperous Ukraine is in the interest of Poland, of the European Union and of the world that shares the commitment to international rules-based order. This is why myself and every Polish ambassador in the world advocates international support for Ukraine.
In fact, we are dealing here with the challenge to our common humanity. And if everyone, if young or old, can contribute with buying a Ukrainian merch and wearing it, it is already something that can help, maybe if not save someone's life, then to mitigate the plight of the people on the ground in Ukraine and give them hope that there are better days ahead of them.
I'm so grateful and so happy, and I would like to just say really big thank you from my bottom of my heart for all the sponsors and all the contributors. Without them, we won't be here. I cannot do this by myself without their support. So I'm really grateful.
Thank you, dear Polish, Singaporean and Ukrainian friends. Dziękuję za wszystko. Razem będziemy zwyciężani. Слава Україні!